Ladies and gentlemen, today we're taking a ride in Joseph's 300ZX. What do you have to say?
Morning.
He's not so much of a morning person as I am, but
we're gonna go. I love the mornings.
Anyway, today I have a new camera, and we are gonna try and get some sexy shots, some good-looking shots.
Heck yeah!
Look at this beautiful car in here. Oh, here we go.
Where are we going?
I don't know. It's a good question.
We're gonna go to a parking lot to get some shots, right?
I guess so.
Gotta get the cinematic shots of the dirty car.
That's what I'm saying. Look at that windshield right there. Every grain, every bit.
That's from sitting under your tree all night.
You're supposed to stop at that sign right there.
Really? Didn't notice.
Oh yeah, people, also look at how bad his shift knob looks. Whoa!
35 miles an hour.
I want the beans, Joseph.
Not warmed up. I'll give you the beans on Bell's Ferry.
Oh, fine, I'll wait. Ladies and gents, we're about to get some beans. Come on, give me the beans. Give me the beans. Give me the beans. Come on, do it, do it, do it. Oh, there we go. I like them beans. I like them.
These are some good beans right there.
Good beans! Boys, we're gonna get some more beans. We're about to get some more beans. I've been reported. Oh. Right next to the fire station. Ladies and gentlemen, we do have an update. Besides Joseph singing like a beautiful goddess,
It's my vlog music.
we're in traffic.
And driving a stick in traffic is no fun.
Woo! I like the way
No
that
fun.
sounded. I like the way that sounded a lot.
Yeah.
It's a really pretty day out here in Georgia. For once. You might hear tons of wind noise. I don't know if you can even hear me. Quick trip, BMW. What is that? Oh! That was a Porsche, by the way. I probably didn't zoom in on it right. Oh, we're coming up on a bridge, boys. So come back when we're going under the bridge. There's the tunnel. We're coming up upon the tunnel. Ooh, this thing shoots so nice. Oh, come on, come on. Get it. No! Alright, well, we're gonna go put this car in a ditch now, so see you then.
What?
Psych, whatever that is, it's cool.
The Chevelle?
I don't know what that is. He said we're drifting the roundabout, so I'm gonna see how well he goes. And if he lies, we're putting this car in a ditch, like I said. Oh, the Honda Odyssey. No! Cooked again! Are you kidding me? Today's been a very stressful morning. Figured out that my AC is unfixable because the wiring sucks. Joseph can't do anything cool because there's moms on the road at whatever time it is. I don't know what time it is because this thing doesn't work ever. Look how close his wheels are to his fender. And then I don't even know if you can see in there, but he's got those coilovers. Those sexy coilovers. This thing is slammed. Hello. We're done with that. We made the video. I hope you like it. Coronavirus is making things hard, so I'm not uploading stuff. And my seats have been delayed till like July something. I don't even know. And he's still, I don't even think he's touched the video about coilovers yet, so.
Nope.
He'll have that out soon. But that's the end of this video. That was a good catch. You got anything else to say?
Subscribe to his channel.
I probably should have said that.
He makes content.
Dude, that stick is about to break. Okay, anyway, like and subscribe. Goodbye.